Description: Zenagen Evolve Accelerating Shampoo Therapy, repair hair damage, reduce breakage, luxurious results. Benefits: enhances growth and repairs damage for noticeably longer, stronger, more radiant hair. Suggested use: apply to hair and scalp in place of shampoo. Leave treatment on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Evolve Professional Accelerating Therapy, promoting healthy hair growth and repair. Evolve Professional Accelerating Therapy encourages hair repair for stronger, longer and healthier looking hair. It helps make hair more resilient against dryness and breakage caused by ongoing heat styling, chemical treatments and hair color. Evolve's advanced nutraceutical technology increases the turnover rate of hair follicles and creates an optimal environment for hair growth and length. This topical shampoo treatment works in the shower in just 5 minutes, 2 to 4 times per week. Color safe. Cruelty-free. Vegan. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it promises. My hairstylist recommended this after I suffered hair loss from a stressful event. I could tell a difference in my hair length within 2 months. This worked better than any supplement I've used. Highly recommended and will purchase again.